As humans, we're hardwired to appreciate colour and to make marks on the world. I'm really at my happiest when I am hands in the dye bath, creating something unique and special just for me. It can feel like the natural dye process is a complicated one, but I'm going to show you in this course that it's something that anyone can do. I'm going to take you through 3 projects. We're going to start by creating a rainbow of colours. We're also going to cover some simple shibori techniques. Finally, we're going to have a joyous experience making bundle dyed linens with absolutely beautiful and unique results. We're going to work with these upcycled napkins. Believe it or not, they would go to landfill if I hadn't rescued them from my local hotel. This is dried coreopsis, and I'm just going to simply scatter it straight onto the surface of the textile. You can already see the beautiful orange colour developing. It's very mindful and calming. It's not something you can rush. Wherever you live in the world, whether you live in a rural or an urban environment, there is colour inspiration all around. So I really encourage you to just get started and enjoy the process. Learn the art of natural dyeing with me, Sian Cornish.